Hello, in this video we're gonna talk about how to start reading books in English. I've seen a lot of tips and even a paid course how to do it with rules, but you know that there's no rules, right? There are many ways how to start. You should just need to choose the right one that works for you. You know, people say you shouldn't write down every unknown word that you see, just write those that you see frequently, etc., etc. But if you want, you can check every meaning of the word, write it down if it helps you to memorize, so why not? So, how to start? Obviously, you should pick a book that you really, really want to read, but be careful not to choose the old one or the scientific because you will have a lot of new vocab and probably it'll be old vocab if you choose an old book. And start to read. Sounds easy, right? But it could happen to be a difficult book with a lot of new vocab. That means that you pick the book not for your level. And there's two ways. First, it depends on your desire to finish. You could read it for a long time, for even months, but you don't drop it. You just try to do with it. But in this case, the reading becomes studying. But you don't drop it. Another way is you drop it and don't want to read in English again. So as you see, you just survive by your eagerness. The second option is you can read graded readers. It's adapted books for different levels, but not every book is adapted and it's mostly classics. But you can check Penguin Readers. They have a lot of books for different levels, from beginner to even advanced. But I know that not everyone wants to read adapted literature because it's kind of not cool. And here we have the third option. So the option is you can choose a book for exactly your level. And I'm gonna help you with this because I'm gonna post videos with different books and for which level it is. So you can subscribe to my channel to find out what to read. Thank you for your attention and please let me know what you want to read in comments.